is a video on the MotorScrubber Force and a video how to demonstrate this new product. MotorScrubber Force is a super heavy duty accessory tool to fit onto any brand of scrubber dryer. Okay, so the beauty with this product is that once this is added to your big machine, you can now clean even the smallest of areas, because big scrubber dryers are amazing for the big open areas. If you have a big building, you need big tank capacity, big battery capacity. However, these machines do have some limitations. They can't clean toilet areas, they can't clean the corners, the benches, tables. So that's why we developed MotorScrubber Force. MotorScrubber Force, you can quickly and easily clip this off the scrubber dryer, and as you can see, every single component is absolute premium quality, forged aluminium. Looking at the suction housing, this is still a prototype, but it will be available soon. We have spring-loaded squeegees, which you just twist these two red fittings here, and the squeegee pops out, and you dispose or recycle the whole item. You don't need any tools to change this, so the end user can change this themselves very quickly and very easily. You have a double squeegee on the back for sucking up the liquid, and the front squeegee drags out any excess water from tight areas like down the side of a toilet. You can hold on to the hub and twist the brush off easily. We have a big range of different brushes and different pads you can use. You quite simply just line this up and twist that into place. Okay, so you have a telescopic pole. You just lift up the hose here, and then extend the handle to the right length. Snap that into place. This is forged aluminium with soft rubber grip, and on the handle you have two switches. One is for the spray and a latching switch for the brush. So you can spray detergent with the machine. You can also switch on the brush, and then once you've taken the machine off the bigger machine, you can you switch on the vacuum. Now the technique to use with the machine is to use it in very straight lines, forwards and backwards, and only spray the liquid as you go forwards. Don't spray coming backwards, because the machine's only drying when you go forwards. So it sprays quite a lot of water, so you don't need to hold it down. Just pulse the water as and when you need it on the switch. So we'll switch the suction on. Switch on the brush. Moving at a nice steady speed, let the machine do the job. You know, you've got 400 RPM, give the brush some time to release the dirt, and I'll show you how the front squeegee works. If you imagine if you're down the side of a toilet here and you're in a very tight area, or you're under a bench, if the floor is wet, that front squeegee drags the liquid out like so into an area where then the back double squeegee can collect the liquid. So it makes sure that right into the corner you pull out any dirty liquid to leave the floor dry. Okay, so when you're done with the machine, you simply collapse the handle, wind up the hose, and I'll just show you how you put this in. If you come over here, put the switch housing in first, lock that into position, and then the front part just drops into the rubber mount there, and now the machine is solid in place. If you look at the back of the machine, it takes less than 30 minutes to fit this kit to any brand of machine, and we supply a universal fitting which is conical on each step, so it fits any brand of machine, and you just cut off whichever size doesn't fit, so that it fits the machine. It fits a hole inside the tank, or if you have a tube, it's also conical inside as well, so it will fit any size tube. So basically all you have is one hose, and this one hose has your suction pipe, and it also has this one, which inside has your water pipe and your power cable as well. So this particular machine, the suction is controlled by a circuit board. So some machines have a simple on-off switch for the vacuum motor, which is dead simple. You can just switch it on and off. But if you do have a machine which has a circuit board, then there may be a timer for how long it comes on for. We then need to just take the vacuum motor and disconnect it from the circuit board and connect it directly to the batteries. So we have a two-way switch here, which switches the vacuum motor directly to the battery, so that you can independently use it as and when you need. I'll just show you inside the machine. So to fit the machine to a scrubber dryer, the only thing you need to do is fit a small pump inside. So all scrubber dryers coming out of the tank, you have a water pipe which comes out. There's a filter here, pipe comes out, and then it goes into a electronic solenoid valve. Before it goes into the valve, you cut the pipe, put a T-piece in, and the T-pipe goes to the pump. This blue pipe goes into the hose. This is your power cable from the hose, and that just connects to your 24 volt connection on the batteries. So you have a 24 volt pump, a 24 volt motor on the MotorScrubber, and it's really that simple. You just need to feed the pipe and cable into the battery compartment, connect it up, fit these mounts onto the tank. So when you fit this, basically you drill a small hole into the tank, you put the fitting on, which has got a threaded bar on it, and you'd have a rubber washer and then a stainless steel washer and a nut, tighten it up nice and tight, and then you have an airtight seal so you don't lose any suction. There's no damage to the tank. There's no risk of causing any further damage to the tank once it's fitted. It will stay like this forever. So as you can see, everything is absolute premium quality, and now this machine has become so much more versatile. Instead of this machine just doing the large central floor area, you can now clean even the smallest of areas, some steps, down the side of the toilet. The way I'm looking at this is decades ago, vacuum cleaners, they had a cloth bag on them, and they just did the central carpet, just the floor. And then one day, a company, I'm not sure which one yet, but they put a suction hose on there with attachments for doing your sofa and your stairs. And now, today, every single vacuum cleaner has a hose and attachment. So we're going to do the same with scrubber dryers. From now, every scrubber dryer should have an attachment on it for doing the detail areas, and you can turn your machine into the ultimate cleaning machine. If you'd like to see more information, please visit our website at motorscrubberclean.com.